Today, on an Everyday Sommelier summer series, we're going to jet set to the south of France, where we'll find one of the most popular wines you can sip on all summer long. Away we go! Rosé all day. Provence is a region in southeastern France that produces a significant amount of the world's rosé. Rosé wines are usually a lighter pink or salmon color, even though they're made from red wine grapes, because during the winemaking process, the grapes are only in contact with the juice for a short amount of time. Rosé pairs well with lighter dishes like summer salads with watermelon or strawberries, melon and prosciutto, grilled or roasted veggies, and fish like salmon, trout, or oysters. This is a beautiful rosé from Provence, Fleurs de Paris. It's dry with bright acidity and notes of raspberry and citrus with a clean, fresh finish. Remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this one at Kroger, Target, or your local wine shop for around $17. I'm so excited to show you a classic favorite next time, but until then, enjoy some rosé. Cheers!